Hello everyone. So I hope am I live? Can you confirm guys? How are you everyone? So today we are coming with the I would say new topic. Essentially the new one. Okay, so we would start now. Just wait, let me uh, uh so am I audible now? So guys, today we are starting with a very new topic which is problem on ages. You will see like lot of problems on this topic. Firstly, everyone try to understand that why I'm guiding you this. So this is the, I would say, first of all, this is the basic that we are doing right now. And you need to understand that why we are doing this. First thing is that a lot of questions in banking exam, if I would say now, a lot of questions in the banking exam been asked. Okay. Banking exam, lot of questions are being asked. Means I would say lot and lot of. Okay. Exam the question been asked. Thirdly, guys, I would say if you want to get like everything of it, then I would recommend all of you that this is a part of ratios. Okay, so I would say that this is a part of ratio, everybody. So if you know the ratio, then you can solve this part. Only ratio I'm saying. Okay, only ratio. So I will be guiding you with, I would say, with two methods. Method one would be the normal method, and method 2 will be the Aman mantra. Okay, so method 2 will be the Aman mantra. Again I am saying this is ages is basically what, if you note it down, you can note it down. Ages is basically what, ages is a part of ratio. Okay, this is a part of ratio. Basically I will be solving you this part with the two methods. First method is method 1. First method is method 1, and second is basically method 2. So method 1, method 2 are basically two different things. One is the old school method. Okay, I would write old school method. This is basically guys old school method. Okay, and the third I would say Aman mantra approach. Okay, third is basically Aman mantra approach. I would say you about Aman mantra approach. Okay, so these are two different things which you need to do, first and second. So this is your first one and this is your second one. So I think you guys will understand that this is ages is a part of ratio, everybody, and this is again I am saying that I'm guiding you from the basics, so you guys need to understand. Okay, I think you guys are there, so we should start, and I think this is visible to every one of you. So let us see the first question, everyone. So this is the first question, I would say. I think this is visible also, everybody. So if this is the first question and visible to you, can you please solve it? Let's see that how many of you can solve the ratio of the ages of A and B. Let me give you the timer for this. Okay, let me give you the timer for this. 2 minutes of time I'm giving you. Come on, solve. 2 minutes of time. Proper times I'm giving you. Please solve. Try to like develop that. These are again now not created by me. These are totally a previous year questions. Okay, these are totally a previous year question, guys. I would again say, so kindly understand, these are totally a previous year questions, right? Clear, everybody? These are totally a previous year question. You have 1 more minute. the question first and then try solving it. Please read the question first and then try solving it. Fine. So I think we did this. Okay, let me try now. The ratio of ages of A and B. So we are having like ratio of age of A to B. Okay, is basically 4 year after 4 years. So plus 4, write down here. Here also write down plus 4. Okay, is 11 is to 14. So basically the ratio after 4 years is basically what? 11 is to 14 is the ratio. Okay, fine. 6 year hence. So after 6 years, okay. So basically 6 year hence. So plus 6, the ratio becomes okay, 6 year hence. You will not write like that because this is in statement form. So I'll write in the statement form. So it is like saying that 6 year hence. So 6 year hence, A is equal to B's present age. 6 year hence is A equal to. So A plus 6 is equal to B. B present age, which is B present age. 6 year hence. Okay. Now from here, what I can say? From here, I can say 6 equals to B minus A. Correct, na? I hope everyone is getting. Now, guys, see the point. The difference is basically here. The difference is how much? Can I say difference is 3? Come on, say 11, 12, 13, 14. Here the difference is 3. So can I say now that value of 3 ratio that is equal to the 6. Okay. If 3 is equal to 6, then 1 ratio. Then I can say that 1 ratio would be equal to 2. If 1 ratio is 2, then I can get the age from here, which is basically 11 into 2, which is basically 11 into 2 is 2, 14 into 2. So that I can say basically 22 is to 28. But this is the age 4 year hence, na? This is the age 4 year hence. Now the present age means A naught is to B naught would be what? 4 less, which is 20, which is 18. 18 is to 24. Again, this is A is to B. You need to figure it out B is to A. So basically the B present age is to A present age would be what? This would be inverse it. 24 is to 18. 24 is to 18. Then this would be what? This would be 9 is to 6. This would be again 3 is to 2. So the answer is 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. Okay, fine. I hope everyone got this. This was the problem which we are like doing it right now. I think this is visible and audible and everyone is watching this. Come on, say yes or no. This is a session on problems on ages, everyone. Clear, everyone? Let's come to the next question. Next one. Give you the timer. He is saying 5. Okay, let me try. The ages of Kaushalya and Sumitra. So we are having like Kaushalya upon Sumitra. Ages are in the ratio 9 is to 8. 9 by 8. Okay. Respectively after 5 years. So the 5 years we'll add 5 here. So this is 9x, this is 8x. After 5 years, the ratio becomes 10 by 9. Isn't it? From here, you need to just figure it out the value. Means you need to figure it out the value of x and y. So basically you can say 9 nines are 81x plus 9 fives are 45 is equal to 80x plus 50. Now see 81 as x becomes 8 and x ka value comes like 5. They are asking find the difference in their ages. Now see difference in the ratio, the difference is the difference is of 1. So can I say 1 is equal to 5? So the answer is 5. Very good. Those who have done it, I think this was the easiest one and this came in the examination also. So let me try one more. Try this, everyone. Right. The age of son is 1/3 of his father. 1/3 of his father means, can I say, if I talk about father and son, then if the age of son is 1/3 of father, son age is 1/3 of father. Suppose if I take a father son age, 1/3 of it would be 1, 1 is to 1. In after 5 years, the ages of father and son becomes 5 is to 2. So father after 5 years and son after 5 years, the ratio becomes 5 is to 2. So now what is the method which I am guiding you right now, everyone? Please look over the method. Method is what? The method is that here you need to equate the difference. Now see, 5 minus 2, the difference is 5 minus 2, the difference is 3. Here the difference is 3. And 3 minus 1, here the difference is 2. Here is the difference is 2. What is 3 minus 1? Make the difference equal. So for making the difference equal, multiply this by 2 and multiply this by 3. Multiply this by, I would say 3. Means the whole equation by 3. If you do so, this will become 3 3s are 9 is to, this will become 3 3s are 9 is to 3, and after 5 years, this is the ages of father and son, and after 5 years means f plus 5 is to son plus 5, the ratio becomes 10 is to 4. Okay, now you can say that the difference are same. How come? Here the difference is of 6, you can see here is the difference is of 6, then here is also the difference is of 6. In both the cases difference is of 6. Now according to you there is an increment of 1, 9 becomes what? 10, which is 1. So if 1, according to you increment is 1, according to the question increment is of 6, 5, increment is of 5, correct now? Increment is of 5, so 1 becomes 5, isn't it? According to me the difference is 1, according to the question the difference is of 5, so 1 becomes 5. They are asking find the sum of ages of father and son. So find the sum of ages of father and son. So what is the ages of father and son? So this is the age of father and son, 9 plus 3. They are not asking 5 year hence, they are asking present age. So 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3 becomes 12. Okay, and 9 plus 3 becomes 12, and 12 multiplied by 5, which is 60 is the answer. Now this is ultimate method, I would say. Understood everyone? This is ultimate method, I would say, ultimate. Try next. Let me give you the timer. Chalo. 10 year ago. So I will talk about 10 year ago means, guys, the point is that here I'll write 10 year ago means P minus 10 and also Q minus 10. Correct now? So this is, I need to figure it out. They are saying P was half of the age of Q. So P is half. So if I taking this one, P was half. This is, let's take Q2, then P would be 1. Na? Correct. I hope this man. At present, the ratio of their present ages is 3:4. Present their ratio age. So present, just put down P0 is to Q0. The present age, the ratio is basically 3:4. Write down 3:4. Correct. Till now, I don't think anybody is having doubt. Correct. Now the point is that what is the gap here? Firstly, guys need to maintain a gap. Here is the gap is also 1. See, the gap is basically 1. Here also the gap is basically 1. If you watch, here also gap is basically 1. Isn't it? In both the cases, gap is 1. According to you, now you need to check this part. So according to you, from here to here, the gap is of, from here to here, the gap is of 2 ratio. So can I say that 2 ratio is equal to the gap of 10? So 1 ratio. So 1 ratio is equal to 5. Isn't it? 1 ratio is equal to 5. If 1 ratio is equal to 5, they are find the sum of their ages after 3 years. Their ages after 3 years. So basically present age is 7 plus. Present age of P and Q is P and Q. Present age is 4 plus 3, which is 7. 7 multiplied by 5, which is 35. And you want they want teens, means ages after 3 years, correct? So 3 years of age of P also, 3 years of age of Q also. So plus 3 and plus 3 becomes 41. Answer. It's again, I would say, a very logical, very good question based on the ratios. Problem on ages. Let's solve. Let me check. The age of father is 40% more than father and son. Son age is 100. Father would be 140. It's 7 is to 5. After 5 years, okay, F plus 5 and S plus 5. the age of father is 16 year more than the age of son. The age of father is 16 year more. Correct. So I can say that the age of father is 16 year more. Now guys, you can see in the ratios, the father age is 2 more. And this 2 more would be equal to 16. So 1 would be equal to 8. Is this clear? This must be clear to everyone. So they are asking what? Present age. So 1 is 8, then 7 multiplied by 8 is to 5 multiplied by 8. So 8 sevens are 56 is to 8 fives are 40, which is 20 is to 28, which is 10 is to 4, which is 5 is to 7, 7 is to 5. So again the ratio will be get out, but you cannot like go for ratios. It is 56. Present age of father now. Present age of father is again 56. This is the present age of father. I was just solving and solving and solving, but this was like no need of solving. Try with no options. Read this, everyone. Try solving. Try solving slowly and slowly. So what we can say here is A present age is 28% less. So A age is basically was 72%. What will be the year 7 year from now? Okay, means the age would be 7 year from now. Correct. So from here, this goes 18 times. This goes 18 times. Yes or no? This goes 18 times. This goes 25 times. So basically 25A is equals to 18A plus 18 into 7. Correct. Which is 6, 5, 126. Okay. From here, A is equal to basically how much? So from here you can figure it out, the value of A, which would give you 18. They're asking how many year ago was A age? 66% of age means. So now you can understand this is a A age 7 year hence. So let's say how many year ago was A age 66% of his age. So basically we are need to take out 2 by 3 of 18. 63% is basically 2 by 3, na? What I can write? This is 66.66%. This is 66.66% of the age of A, which is coming how much? 18. Okay, fine, this makes sense. Now, how many year ago was A's age? So, A age will be what? 7 year hence now, because you are coming 7 year plus, so you need to go 7 year back. Correct. Or you can also say that if you don't know the age, you can write like x minus 7. X minus 7. Same thing. If I just assume A, you can. Now, see, you know that, what do you know? This value of A is given to me, which is 18 minus 7. Correct or not? Or 18 minus x you can write. 18 minus x. From here, take out the value of x. Will come how much? Just take out the value of x. Will come that how much? The value of x would be 6. Answer. This was a good question. Came in the exam also. This was a good question. Came in the exam also. Try this. How will you solve this question? It's basically a problem on ages. Done? Done? Trying? 72. Okay. Let me check. So I think I have given you the enough time. Present age of Kiran is 15 year after 5 year. Okay. Present age of Kiran is 15 years. So can I say that from here K of Kiran present is 15. After 5 years means K plus 5. The ratio of Kiran to Suman. So Kiran to Suman is basically how much? 4 by 4 is to 15. Is this right? Till this much is right, I guess, which was written, I have written that. Nothing we have done. So now see, you can also write down after 5 years the ratio of age of Kiran to Suman will be 4 is to 5. But the point is that after 5 year Kiran age would be what? Now see, if you look over the logic, can I also deduce this, that after 5 year from present Kiran would be 20? Yes or no? Because I'll add 5 to the Kiran, that would become 20. Correct, na? So from here again the Kiran would be 15. Correct, I hope you're getting. But Suman plus, see, now I hope that you guys have got this. I hope you guys have got this, okay? Till now it is clear? Just see that how I am solving the question, okay? Then I would say, if K, now see the point, if I need to take out the Suman age, so Suman plus 5, can Suman plus 5 equals to 75? Come on. Can Suman be like 75? So Suman present age would be 70. The Suman present age and Suman age after 3 years would be how much? Means after 3 years. That would be what? So after 3 years that age would be, this is a Suman present age. 3 years ago it would be 63 na. 3 years ago it would be 63. Come on, say, you guys got this or not? 3 years ago the age is 63. Not clear? Now how I figured it out, this one? See, just I'm giving you the logic. K plus 5 is 20. Then can I say that after 5 year Kiran age is 20? If 4 becomes 20, what is the multiplier? 5 za. So here the multiplier would be 5 only, which is 5 5 za, which is 75. This is Suman plus 5 equal to 75. Is it right? Now let me make you explain. Okay, let me give you one more explanation. Now it is clear? I hope now it is clear. Simple ratio method. PK. It was easy. The correct answer would be 63. None of the options are there. Try this. Try solving. I would say time up. I've given you the enough time to solve. Let me try. Present age of Ram and Samare, Sam. So, present age of Ram present age and Shyam present age. The ratio is 2:3. After 8 years, the ratio of their ages will be, after 8 years means R plus 8 is to S plus 8. The ratio would be 5:7. 5:7. But what I said you everyone. See, here the gap is of 1. Here the gap is of 2. Make that gap equal. Make this 2. It will become 4:6. Now the gaps are equal. And now compare 5:7. Now you can say there's a gap of 1. 1 is equal to 8. Find the present age of Ram. What is the present age of Ram? If 1 is equal to 8, what is the present age of Ram? Come on. The present age ratio is what? Ram present age is 4. So 4 into 8, 32 is the answer. Understood? Understood? Age of Anjana and Nisha 3 years ago. Anjana 3 years ago. Nisha 3 years ago. the age is 5:3. The ratio of ages of Anjana, 6 year hence, present age would be how much? First take out the present age. Okay. So I can go for 5x plus 3 plus 6 and Nisha present age would be 3x plus 3 8 year hence plus 8 and this is given to me 16:13. I hope this equation is clear to everyone. So now guys, I haven't given the option, but this would be the present age of, now you can see this would be the present age of, I would say this would be the present age of Anjana and also the present age of Nisha. Correct now. And from here you need to take out the value of x. We will take out the value of x, that would be your answer. I hope, can you guys comment that you can figure it out the value of x from here? Just comment everyone. This is a kind of homework that you can try and figure it out the value of x. Just try and figure it out the value of x, okay? Now one very important thing, that we are running a free series on our YT channel. We are covering all the fundamentals of quantitative aptitude, okay? So that every student of this class, I would say every student of this class, or those who are like very not good at maths, they can attend this class, okay? We will cover everything guys, from basic to advanced. In case any one of you are left behind, or you are preparing, you want to prepare, you can share the class link. You can also scan this QR code to be a part of Telegram channel, okay? If any query guys, you can comment anytime, anywhere, because I'm available on the Telegram. Means I will be there in the Telegram. So if you like, any one of you having like any kind of problem related to math, I would say, see, we are going to cover all the important and trick of maths. All the important tricks of maths with the concepts. So any one of you are like preparing, wants to prepare, you can share my link. I have also started my batches guys, my plus batches. Till then I would say thank you everyone for joining me. Till then, bye bye guys. Signing off, Agnimitra. Bye, take care. Bye bye.